Hey, CarzGuyz, JT here. Welcome back to the channel where all that matters is CarzGuyz. Well, not necessarily. As you can see in the background, my 2000 Hayabusa, Suzuki Hayabusa, guys. That's right, back on the bike for the third time this year. I hardly ever ride the thing, and it's a fantastic bike. Pretty much, guys, anything under the CarzGuyz umbrella is CarzGuyz. So, welcome back to the channel. Hey, thanks to all the new subscribers jumping in for the first time, and just got wind of a bike event down at Hooters. Hey, CarzGuyz like Hooters, right? Hey, we all like Hooters, right? It's a great place, great wings. So, hey, we're going to jump on the Busa, and we're going to go out and about on the Busa. Hope you guys enjoyed last week's episode where we went out to Gallatin State Park. Beautiful park, and we met up with some guys, RPM 427. Nice guys, nice cars. Stay tuned for those guys. They're going to be doing big things, and if you haven't already, subscribe to their channel. And my man, Justin, over at Horsepower Obsessed. So, hey, stick around, and we're going to go investigate this bike event down at Hooters. Holler! So, remember, this is a channel where pretty much all that matters is CarzGuyz, and I'll see you down at the bike event. Cars Guys, hey, it's JT here at this bike event, and you guys know who that is in the background. That's Roy, the man, the winner of the first Watch Out for Cars Guys event. Yeah, he's up here. You know Roy, if it's bikes, it's Roy. So hey, check Roy out on his new channel. Introduce him, Roy.
Pixel Boy Roy / Love Drum HOOTERS.
There you go. That's his YouTube channel, so check him out and subscribe. Hey, as you guys can see in the background here, we're at Hooters. Everybody likes Hooters. Great wings.
Right.
Right? All right, guys, I'm going to do a little pan and scan. Had a little equipment malfunction. The GoPro crapped out on me, so I'm going to see if just how good my cell phone really is. So I'll see you guys a little bit. Stick around. It should be fun. Cars Guys, there you have it. I mean, this is Bike-O-Rama. I mean, bikes, slingshots, Can-Ams, choppers, you name it. This is bike heaven here, guys, and as you can see, it's going down at Hooters. So I'm going to jump back on the booster, guys, and head back to the Cars Guys lab. If this is your first time checking in, hit that subscribe button, and remember, this is the channel where almost all that matters is Cars Guys. Hey Cars Guys, we're back from the motorcycle event there at Hooters. Hope you guys enjoyed that. A lot of bikes, a lot of Can-Ams, a couple of slingshots. Rare opportunity to jump on the 2000 Hayabusa and zip around. Sorry about the weather, guys. You know, I'm not in control of weather. Overcast the whole day. It would have been nice if it was sunny. Anyway, we had a good time. Hey, if you're checking in for the first time, just remember this is a channel where almost all that matters is Cars Guys. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that little bell. Let you know when I have future uploads. And give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you in the next upload.